These are the percentage gain of the three precious metals. And we can see that the gold and silver have performed well over the past 2 years, but not for the platinum. Historically, we can observe that the precious metal tends to move in tandem with their troughs and their peaks occurring around the same time. So will platinum ultimately follow gold and silver, and why it is not performing today? I'm Con Hao. My work in this channel is to study behavior science and finance, discover correlation between different markets, and uncover potential opportunities. And before we get into today's subject, please do take some time to read into the disclaimer. During the 08 crisis, we saw platinum gain exceed that of the gold and silver. And what is happening today? Let's try to understand what is platinum. It is just like gold and silver. It is found in the earth crust. It is highly resistant to corrosion and tarnishing, and it is rarer and more difficult to mine than gold. Because of its high melting point at around 1700 degrees Celsius, it is widely used as a catalytic converter in petrol and diesel engines to reduce the harmful emission. And let's take a look at today's platinum. However, during the global adoption of EV taking off in 2020, and we saw that the prices started coming down. Despite this, interest in the precious metal has been growing, and we can see the volume has been increasing. With the stagnation of price but an increase in volume, how do I interpret this? This means that investors are accumulating platinum and in the hope that platinum will catch up with gold and silver ultimately, because they believe that precious metal is an inflationary hedge asset. And I do believe that this strategy as well. But one thing we have to note is platinum was never a monetary currency historically. Meaning gold and silver was ever used as a coin, but not for platinum. On that perception, this could be one of the reasons why platinum has yet to move, but the gold and silver has been moving, with the inflation hitting a high of 9% in year 2022. Therefore, whenever there's an inflation fear like right now, we usually will see a pent-up demand in first the gold, followed by silver, and the rest of the commodities may subsequently follow according to their time and season. And what am I seeing for platinum at this point in time? And let's take a look at the platinum again. And this is the monthly chart that I'm seeing here. And as usual, I would like to draw, I'm seeing this. As I connect the dots, you could see how beautifully it starts from here, resisted here, and there's another 2 point here. And the other thing that I'd like to draw is this. And I believe that platinum is now doing some consolidation. We could see that how well it was supported in the past. So is this point, so is this point. And I suspect that platinum may continue to move in this range bound. But given time, come to a point that maybe gold and silver became so expensive, it will start to draw attention to the laggard. Platinum is a laggard, and platinum is still a precious metal today. With a declining demand for combustion engine, is there any other potential industrial use for platinum? I'm believing that platinum may regain significance through its role in hydrogen production, storage and fuel cell system, as these technologies are critical for sustainable energy transition. But for the time being, any potential break on the upside could be still as an inflationary hedge asset when investors find that gold and silver is too expensive, and we'll be looking for another alternative assets like the platinum. We cannot perfectly time the market, but it is possible to get the market timing right. The market are always telling us on their next move. Stay tuned for my coming tutorial. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Join us in our weekly case study and discussion. Click on my profile icon or the description below to find out more. Feel free to leave any comments below. I'd love to exchange ideas with you on what is about to come. Really happy that you stayed through this tutorial. You have many great trading weeks ahead.